Hello, the Earth. Learning about the Earth. Hello, students. Our Earth is our home. It is a living planet with water, land, plants, and animals. A small model of the Earth is called a globe. Well, our planet Earth is like a round ball. It looks flat because it is very big and we cannot see it fully. It is like a huge spinning top which moves around the sun. It gets heat and light from the sun. Earth is surrounded by air, which is called atmosphere. Some mountains are so tall that their peaks are hidden by clouds. Our eyes, ears, nose, and mouth are the physical feature of our face. Similarly, mountains, hills, plains, rivers, and valleys are the physical features of Earth. Land is all around us. It is made up of rock, sand, and soil. Mountains and hills. The highest parts of the land are called mountains. It takes millions years for the mountain to form. The highest part of the mountain is called its peak. The group of mountains are called a range. Hills are high areas of land, not as high as mountains. The high land flats at the top like a tabletop. It is called plateau. The low land between hills and mountains, it's called a valley. It generally has forest on both sides. Plains. Plains are flat lands. Most of the people live in the plains. The soil is good and crop grows well here. Rivers and lakes. Earth has more water than land. Water is present here in many forms. Through rainfall, the water present on the land gets circulated. When water falls from a great height, it is called a waterfall. When snow melts on the mountains, they form streams which join to make the mighty rivers. The rivers flow down through the mountains into the plains. The rivers finally meet seas, then flow into the oceans. When water gets collected in the large area of land, it is called the lake. Rivers and the lakes are known as freshwater bodies. The water is not salty and is used for drinking after boiling and cooking. Oceans and seas. Oceans are the largest bodies of water. They cover 2/3 of the Earth's surface. The water is salty and cannot be used for cooking or drinking. A sea is the largest water body. Seawater is also salty. Deserts. There are large areas of dry land on Earth and are called deserts. They have little or no rainfall. They are covered with sand which are blown by strong winds into sand dunes. There are 6 main deserts in the world. Camels are used to travel in deserts. We should be proud of our planet Earth because it allows us to live. We should try to look after all the precious things it gives us to make our life good. Summary. The Earth is a living planet. It is our home. It is round and moves around the sun. It is made up of land and water and surrounded by air. Earth has many physical features like plains, hills and mountains, valleys, rivers and lakes, seas and oceans and deserts. A large part of the earth is made up of water. Oceans, rivers, seas and lakes are water bodies. Deserts are very dry areas with very little rain and covered with sand. That is all in this topic. Love your land and save the earth from global warming. Keep learning.